Hello students, today we shall start a new lesson which is Forests a Lifeline. If you see a forest, all you go and see is just the green color. But the green color is not uniformly green. As you can see, there are various shades to the green. And the environment there is so peaceful. And you can feel the cool breeze which is blowing and which will surely make any of us very fresh and happy. Let us see the textbook. Here, when the students they went to the forest, they saw that the animals had got excited and they were all making noises on seeing them. Similarly, in case we see even other animals over even the domestic ones, in case they see any other person, like in case your dog doesn't just see someone outside, what it will do, it will bark. So even in this case, even these animals in the forest, they make signals so that the other friends also, the other animals also know that there are some intruders, or there are some other people who have come into the forest. Now in the forest, there are different trees. Like they have seen neem, then shisham, simal, and bamboo trees. We know that there are a lot of uses of the forest. So we get spices from there. Then there is fodder for animals and even medicinal plants, which we all get from the forest. Now, whenever we see the forest, it is densely populated with trees. So there are shrubs, herbs, grasses, and there are also different types of creepers and climbers. So what happens because of all this? The sun is barely visible through the leaves of the trees. So inside the forest it is quite dark. अगर हम फॉरेस्ट के अंदर जाए तो हमें पता लगता है कि वो बहुत थोड़ा सा बहुत डार्क होता है, अंधेरा होता है क्योंकि सारा प्लांट्स उसको कवर कर देते हैं. Now they were wondering how does the tree, who must have planted these trees. So then there was Professor Ahmed who tells them that the there are the trees which are present over there, they are enough to produce seeds, and the forest floor provides favorable condition so that those seeds will germinate and they will develop into seedlings and saplings. तो ऑन इट्स ओन कोई आके वहां पे ट्री प्लांट करता नहीं है, ऑन इट्स ओन इट grows. And there are different type of branches which are seen, okay, of the tree above the stems. So उन्हें हम crown कहते हैं, like here. So there are different types of crowns which are present in the forest. So this side like pointed, and some are rounded, like in this case. Okay. Now we go to the next thing. We see the different layers of the forest. So because the trees have different sizes and shapes, they create different horizontal layers. So these are the three layers. So first is the canopy. So this is like the roof. It provides a roof. मतलब हम कह सकते हैं ये forest का छत होता है. Then we have this layer which we call as the ground cover. This is called as the ground cover. And in between the ground cover and the canopy, मतलब जो भी ऊपर वाला हिस्सा और नीचे वाले हिस्से के बीच का लेयर जो होता है उसे हम अंडर स्टोरी कहते हैं. The middle layer is called under story. Then when the students were walking, they saw the floor of the forest. And the floor of the forest was all covered with leaves. Okay, dead leaves were present on it. And because of that, all this decaying matter, what was that? It was moist and warm. So the students, when they were walking, they felt like they were walking on a carpet. Like फॉरेस्ट ने उनके लिए ये कारपेट बिछाया दिया है जिनके ऊपर ये चल रहे हैं. So this is all about the forest, our lifeline. We have learned about the visit to the forest, of how the visit was, what the plants they saw, what were the uses of it, what was the crown, and the three horizontal layers of the forest and the floor of the forest. In the next class, we shall learn about the interrelationship of plant soil decomposers in the forest, then the balance of the oxygen and carbon dioxide, and forests as the dynamic living entity. Thank you.